I thought I'd just document the Hydrosmart system that we've just installed. I've read some good reports back from them and some you know, not so good reports, so I just thought I'd document it over the next couple of months and see how we go. We put the Hydrosmart system in place because our water's quite salty, saline. Just to give you show you what it does at the end of summer, I'll have a look at this avocado tree and we'll have a look and see what is happening with the leaves. So if I just turn you there, you can see that the leaves are all dry. You know, you've got this salt burn on them. So we thought we'd put the Hydrosmart system in place to see if we can get the system working to reduce salinity. Also on the system, there's quite a few places where there's a lot of you know, iron build-up. So I'll just show you what I'm talking about here on the drippers, the irrigation system. Let's just have a look here, see if you can see this. I'll find somewhere without too much sun. So you should be able to see down there that even on the hose, etc. and stuff like that, you know, there's a fair bit of salt, etc. and iron. So I'm gonna run it for the next month, take some photos and see if the iron doesn't clear up, the iron scale and salt scale doesn't clear up. I'll just show you the system. So our pump is just down here. It just goes down 9 meters down to bedrock, and basically we're on a river floodplain, so you've got the whole river going along here, and basically the water pools underneath the soil here. So here's the pump. The pump controller house is in there, so we've got pressure cylinders, we've got pressure pump stuff to sort it out. And here's our Hydrosmart system. So you can see we've put it in an enclosure. With the Hydrosmart system, it has to be at least 1.5 meters from your power, so that's why I've had to put it separate to the pump system. And they also don't like being enclosed in metal, so I've made it out of treated timber. We've buried the lines in the ground, made sure that all the lines are 1.5 meters from electrical power, and so we'll see how the system runs. At the moment what I'm doing is just running the system for 2 hours on the fruit trees, and we'll see how we go over the next month. Okay, I'll update. Hey, I thought I'd just add some more to the video. We've got some cattle water too that I thought would be really helpful if we show that the difference between the pre-Hydrosmart and post-Hydrosmart. If you have a look at the water here, it's really murky, and you know, there's a lot of rust in there, a lot of calcium, etc. and stuff like that. So we'll have a look at that over the next couple of weeks and months and see if that makes a difference. Alright, speak to you soon.